Namaskar. I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you for this coming week's weekly forecast, weekly horoscope for each and every sign. Let us start with Aries. Aries, this coming week you'll be very energetic, very dynamic, and temperamental at the same time. Aries, you'll get annoyed over little things, insignificant things, and also will be running around quite a lot. Health-wise, look after any issue related to your lower abdomen, digestive system, anything to do with blood, urine, and eyesight. The position of Mars in the house of luck, in the 9th house, will cause a rise in your status, prestige, honor. May I say, achievements will be rising, finances will be fantastically okay, and considerable development in your source of income. Aries, your past efforts will bear your unique and, may I say, very unique rewards for you. There will be a rise in your expenditure, also developing a lot of professional contact with the passage of time. Your hard work will pay you back handsomely. There will be a rise in your expenditure at the same time and rise in your personal contact accompanied by rise in your social prestige. You could be involved in a deal related to new venture, new business project, new planning. At the same time, be aware of any conflict with authorities, with decision makers, or anything to do with technical issues. Please make sure that you invest discipline in your routine, and please do organize yourself. Make sure you should not rush into making anything. Try not to rush into making any decision. Please try and be a good observer. May I say good listener as well. Whatever you do, make sure you give a best shot. This is not the time to waste your energy in lashing out at others or express your temperamental attitude. This time the energy is there. So make sure you make this energy most productive, most creative, in a best way. Aries, task of the week for you. Time to time donate whole meal atta, pure ghee, whole moong dal to temple. Take 800 gram black salt, bury in the ground on Saturday morning, in the back garden or in the park. Try to keep 2, 4 or 6 solid silver balls in your pockets all the time. You have to be positive, very creative. Aries, precaution of the week for you. Try to be careful regarding your conduct, your behavior. At the same time, watch your driving. Chanting of the week for Aries. Om Harim Gam Hasti Pishachi Likhe Swaha. Om Harim Gam Hasti Pishachi Likhe Swaha. Ganpati, the leader of whole guns in the whole universe, will protect you, look after you, be your guardian. Thanks for watching my weekly horoscopes. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe for more contents including monthly horoscope, yearly horoscope, Saturn's transit, Saturn's Sadesati, Jupiter's transit, Jupiter's effect for each and every planet, Rahu's transit, Rahu's effect for each and every sign, Ketu's transit for each and every sign, and the solutions. If you have enjoyed this video, then please do give it a like, and also if you have any comments, may I say, if you have any questions about yourself or you would like to have a consultation, why don't you become a subscriber? Then you can make claim for consultation. If you have any comments or suggestions regarding our forecast, please leave me your comments below. I'll be more than happy to respond. But if you have any questions about yourself and you would like to have a consultation, why don't you become a subscriber, then claim a consultation? I'll be more than happy to offer you the consultation. First become subscriber. I'll be back with a lot more contents. Don't forget to watch same time next week. Look after yourself. Take care.